Hey friends, welcome back. As you can see, we're back in my kitchen. I kind of had taken a break from filming in the kitchen or whatnot because of the clogged sink situation. But anyway, I wanted to kind of give you guys an update because I did make a video. I, guys, I try to make a video. I try to do my videos with kind of like 3 weeks ahead or 4 weeks ahead, so that way I can kind of get ahead of it a little bit. But anyway, so it's been quite some time, that when I did like an update again and all that on my kitchen. But anyway, basically, the last video update I did, I said the kitchen sink was fixed, or the clogged sink. Well, unfortunately, like within the next day, because my husband did not treat the sink, and it backed up again and all that stuff. It wasn't as bad as it was the last time, but it was still kind of bad. So anyway, my husband did something very differently than what we've done in the past. So basically what he did was he heated up some water on the stove and got it about, boiling like about 130 or something like that. Got it pretty warm or whatnot. And then he put the BioClean, I guess, within the water itself. And he would, of course, put it in the drain. And we would not use the sink for the rest of the night. It would be cut off for the rest of the night and everything like that. And we did that probably for about, I guess, a good week or something like that. And he thinks we finally made progress, knock on wood, that we made some progress on the sink. But they say that the kitchen is the heart of the home. And yeah, guys, it is the heart of the home because you spend quite a bit of time in that kitchen. You do your breakfast there, you do your lunch, you do your dinner. I mean, you spend quite a bit of time in there. And if your kitchen is not running properly, it just causes chaos within the rest of the home and all that stuff. So anyway, I took the time to really kind of been trying to reset my kitchen a little bit and also reorganized it in this video here just to kind of give it a big reset after, the clogged sink and everything like that. But anyway, if this is your kind of content that you like, make sure you do like, share, comment, subscribe, okay? And all that. And I'll try to do as many of these kind of videos as I can, but I'm hoping and praying that there'll be no more clogged sink issues and all that stuff. So anyway, and I also want to say thank you to those who have watched my AI video of my clogged sink, because wow, guys, I think I got 23,000 views on that thing. So I was rather shocked, to say the least, and everything. So, but I try to be as relatable as possible. I try to put content out that is really relatable to you guys and all that stuff, and provide some inspiration and motivation at the same time. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and just play some music through the rest of the video or whatnot and everything. But make sure you leave me like a spring emoji of some kind and everything, just to let me know you're here. Alrighty, guys. I will see you guys next time, and just enjoy the rest of the video. Bye, guys.